Helmet cam footage from the Russian side shows a supply convoy under the constant threat of Ukrainian first-person view drones. The cameraman is clearly assigned to watch the sky, shifting his attention nervously from left to right, trying to catch any movement early enough to warn the others. He eventually sees one, but the reaction window is already gone. The kamikaze drone dives straight into the rear of their truck, detonating on impact and igniting the cargo area. The driver is badly injured and the vehicle immediately veers off the road. As the truck slows, the cameraman jumps out and attempts to pull gear from the burning compartment, but the fire is already spreading too quickly to save anything. He then checks on the driver, who is barely conscious and visibly wounded, bleeding heavily from the head. Reconnaissance and FPV footage released by Ukraine's Ivan Franko group documents a coordinated series of drone strikes targeting Russian ground personnel in the Donetsk region. The Russian troops appear to be moving with a specific task in mind, but whatever their original objective was, it's immediately overtaken by a more urgent concern. Multiple FPV drones begin closing in on their location in rapid succession, forcing them to abandon positioning and scramble for cover. Within seconds, their priority shifts entirely to survival, getting off the exposed ground and trying to break contact before the next drone arrives. Two Russian personnel are seen standing exposed, seemingly focused on their phones, unaware that Ukrainian FPV drones are already closing in. The first strikes come before they can properly react. They attempt a late scramble to escape, but more drones follow in rapid succession. One even performs what appears to be a confirmation pass, bumping against a motionless body to verify the target is no longer a threat. The footage serves as a stark reminder of how quickly distraction can become fatal in a combat zone, and how unforgiving the modern battlefield has become. Thermal scope footage from a Ukrainian marksman captures two Russian personnel moving laterally across open terrain at night. The shooter takes a calculated first shot and immediately drops the lead target with a precise hit. Judging by the lack of audible detection, the rifle is likely suppressed. The second man remains unaware that his comrade has just been taken out. He momentarily pauses, possibly examining the vegetation, before the sniper fires again. The initial follow-up shot narrowly misses, finally alerting him to the danger. He makes a desperate sprint, weaving to avoid incoming fire, but a third round connects, appearing to strike low in the torso or groin area, ending his attempt to escape. Two Russian personnel are seen riding a quad ATV across exposed ground when a sudden blast erupts near the front of the vehicle, likely a small anti-personnel mine, as no drone is visible at that moment. They push forward for only a few more seconds before disaster strikes. A far larger explosion detonates directly beneath or beside them, powerful enough to obliterate the quad and hurl debris across the area. A Russian boat attempts to approach the riverbank, but is intercepted by a Ukrainian FPV drone. As it nears the shore, the drone dives straight in and detonates near the coxswain's seat. Debris scatters, and the boat veers sharply to port before losing control. A Russian infantryman moves past a trench line, seemingly unaware that a Ukrainian defender is concealed inside. The Ukrainian immediately opens fire at close range and eliminates him before he can react. Moments later, it becomes clear the Russians have realized the position is occupied. An FPV explosive drone is sent in to clear the trench. With no element of surprise left and an incoming drone closing in, The Ukrainian rises from cover and engages it directly, shooting it out of the air before detonation. A Russian infantryman is spotted in the open and pursued by an FPV drone controlled by Ukraine's Signum battalion. He makes several evasive maneuvers, circling a tree with dense branching that actually provides the pilot with limited line of sight. For a moment, the terrain favors him. The drone hesitates, avoiding a risky strike through the branches. But instead of staying behind the only effective cover available, he breaks away into open ground. The drone immediately seizes the opportunity, closing the distance and striking him within seconds. A brief delay of the inevitable, but the outcome does not change. A Ukrainian air defense operator is seen firing a US-supplied Stinger manpads at an incoming Russian attack drone. The missile locks and connects mid-flight, destroying the drone before it can reach its target. A reconnaissance drone from Ukraine's 66th Brigade tracks a Russian soldier as he appears to loot belongings from a Ukrainian civilian in the town of Lyman. Instead of immediately engaging, the drone quietly follows him, back to the concealed location where his squad is gathered. Moments later, an armed quadrotor is dispatched to the coordinates, delivering a precise strike on the position that the thief himself inadvertently exposed. GoPro footage released from the Russian side shows what is claimed to be a Spetsnaz unit conducting a planned ambush. The first portion of the recording captures their movement as they quietly position themselves along a concealed route, likely pre-selected to intercept vehicle movement between frontline posts. The second half switches to multiple helmet cameras capturing the moment of contact. A pickup truck used by Ukrainian personnel moves into the kill zone, and the ambush is initiated at extremely close range, the engagement lasting only seconds. A volunteer unit fighting for Ukraine captures the moment their Humvee is struck by a Russian FPV drone in Zaporizhia. The faces and voices of the personnel are intentionally distorted to conceal their identities, as Belarusians fighting against Russia are at elevated risk if captured. The drone impacts the vehicle and ignites it almost instantly. Despite the intensity of the fire, the troops manage to evacuate. At least 3 appear wounded, but none are reported killed. Footage from Ukraine's Magyar's Birds drone unit shows a small Russian element selecting an abandoned structure as a temporary bivouac point near Pokrovsk, likely assuming it offered enough concealment and cover for a halt. It doesn't. Their position is quickly identified from the air, and an FPV drone is launched toward the building with direct intent. The strike hits the structure with precision, turning what was meant to be a short rest point into a fatal trap for nearly the entire team inside. GoPro footage shows 2 Russian personnel riding a quad bike when they are suddenly targeted by a Ukrainian FPV drone. The drone impacts at extremely close range, injuring the rider wearing the camera. Despite the severity of the blast, the strike happens near what appears to be a friendly position. Another Russian arrives almost immediately to assist, pulling the wounded man away from the impact zone and helping evacuate him to safety. FPV footage from Ukrainian forces shows another Russian soldier attempting to move across open ground while wearing a so-called thermal cloak, designed to mask heat signatures from drone optics. The drone easily identifies and targets him, resulting in a fatal strike. Thermal footage from a Russian drone team shows the use of fiber optic guided FPV drones, a newer variant that cannot be jammed through radio interference, targeting a Ukrainian Humvee. The first drone strikes the vehicle directly, igniting it almost instantly. A second FPV drone, still tethered and fully controllable, observes the crew evacuating under fire, then dives toward the cluster of personnel as they attempt to escape the burning Humvee. Footage from the Akhmat evacuation group shows a Chechen soldier reacting to what's described as a Ukrainian FPV drone while escorting a group of journalists. As the drone closes in, the fighter performs an unusually dramatic combat role, then fires his shotgun into the air. According to the unit, the drone was successfully shot down. The timing and the presence of a camera crew have raised questions online about whether the encounter was spontaneous or partially staged for media effect. Still, the video underscores a practical truth of modern warfare. Shotguns, once reserved for close-quarters fighting, have become a common last line of defense against small attack drones.